Fetch me their soul.
Hello everyone, this is my first glitch ever on Mob of the Dead. This glitch contains 3 downs, so basically you're gonna have to put yourself down 3 times to get into a glitch. Alright, so first of all you need to get on where the first dog is, on the stairs there. And you're gonna aim where I'm aiming. You're gonna crouch down, put yourself down with a grenade, make sure you have an afterlife, and then when you revive yourself, make sure you revive it under the stairs. Do not revive it in front of the stairs, because it's not gonna work if you do so. Alright, as you see I slide down, so that means I've done it right, and I'm stuck on the stairs now, so basically I'm going inside, slow. Alright, the second attempt is where the first shadow is. You know, put yourself down, but make sure you come step a bit back before you put yourself down. And same thing here, revive yourself under the stairs. And the third step is very easy, just put yourself down with a grenade. Always make sure you have an afterlife. Alright, here you go. Now I'm under the stairs, so it's working fine. Just revive yourself, and when you do revive yourself, just crouch and step forward a bit. That's it, you are done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. This is my first glitch on Mob of the Dead and my first glitch video ever, so I hope I'll come up with some new glitches. Thank you very much guys. Please do not forget to subscribe.